Wolves, the most misunderstood predators on Earth. For centuries, they've been painted as villains, the big bad wolf, the ruthless killer. But in reality, wolves aren't destroyers of life. They're protectors of balance. When humans hunted them to near extinction, nature itself began to break. Without wolves, deer and elk populations exploded, overgrazing forests, eroding soil, and even changing rivers. Birds lost nesting grounds, beavers vanished, and ecosystems collapsed, all from the loss of one predator. But when wolves returned to Yellowstone, the land came back to life. Rivers reshaped, forests grew stronger, and wildlife flourished. Wolves proved that true strength isn't about domination, it's about balance. So next time you hear a howl, don't hear danger. Hear the sound of nature healing itself. Make sure to share this video and follow for more captivating animal facts.